Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to move character from point A to point B in Vyond video editor. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So first we are going to add character. On left side you see multiple option and then you see character, so click on it. So you can select any character. Now you see casual, catering, so you can select according to requirement. We select this office and then we select this customer service character. Now you see we edit. So we are going to move character from point A to point B like walking. Now we change position and then you see action, so click on it and then you see action standing, so click on it. Now you see multiple action. So we are going to use walking, so you can select action according to requirement. So we are going to add or search walking, so click on it. Now you see multiple action, walking toward camera, so we are going to select this. So we select walking, but you see direction change, so we select this, right click on it and then click on mirror and then you see position change. And then we are going to add motion path, again select character and then you see motion path, so click on it. Now you see none, so again click on it and then you see line. Now select, so we are going to select line horizontal, so we are going to move character from point A to point B. Now select. Now you see auto fit and then you see character walk from here to here, but we are going to walk character from A point to B point whole scene. Now select. Now select this and then like this. Now this character walk from here to here. Now click on preview. Now you see character moving from A position to position B. So in this way you can move character from point A to point B. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.